Meaning of genuineness.
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 Genuineness. Genuineness refers to the quality of being authentic, sincere, and honest. It is a measure of how truthful and trustworthy something or someone is. A genuine person is one who is true to themselves and others, and who acts in a way that is consistent with their values. Genuine products are those that are real and not counterfeit. Genuine emotions are those that are truly felt and expressed without any hidden agenda. In short, genuineness is a quality that is highly valued and cherished in our personal and professional lives.